Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Resident Evil Requiem and you keep getting that DINPUT8.DLL error, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that DINPUT8.DLL error code on Resident Evil 9 easily. So that error occurs when your Resident Evil Frameworks mod is not up to date, so you'll have to either update your Resident Evil Frameworks mod or just remove RE Frameworks from your game. So you can update the mod by going on to the mods website on nexusmods.com. I'm going to put this link into the description of the video. So you're going to come here, you're going to scroll down and you're going to download this RE frameworks. Make sure it is up to date. After that, you're going to extract this mod into your game. If you already have the updated mod and you still are getting that error, then you can try deleting RE frameworks from your game. So just go on to your Resident Evil folder. The default directory should be in your C drive, Steam apps, common, Resident Evil Requiem here. And then you're going to have a dinput8.dll file in your Resident Evil 9 folder. Just delete that folder from your Resident Evil Requiem folder. Afterwards, you can try to play the game and you'll see that you will not get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.